I've gotten quite a number of submissions in attempt to answer the Jacob and Esau question. Let me put a little bit of flesh on the skeleton to focus your attention where it should be. Jacob takes Esau's blessings, and the content of the blessing makes him Lord, master over Esau. We read, "And Isaac answered and said to Esau, Behold, I made him a master over you, and I gave him all his brothers as servants, and I have sustained him with corn and wine. So for you then, what shall I do, my son?" So we, the reader, have this information. This has not changed. Esau is not the master of Jacob. So we expect Esau to be rather addressing Jacob as master, not the other way around. So we should be wondering why now it is Jacob addressing Esau as master rather than Esau addressing Jacob as master. The blessings hasn't changed. We, the reader, know this. So the question is, why does Jacob address Esau as master when we clearly know, when we, the reader, we are aware that it's supposed to be Esau that is addressing Jacob as master? I've got a lot of answers to this question, but the focus, I believe, is not where it's supposed to be. So give it another shot. Son of man, what seest thou?